In this video, I will show you how to upload your ebook to Gumroad and sell it there. First, go to Gumroad official website and click on Start Selling up top. Here you can opt to sign up a new account via social media or your email. I have opted to use my Google account. Once you are signed in, go to the bottom corner here and click on your profile name, then choose the settings option. From there, go to the payments tab. Scroll down and you will be able to fill in your personal details to get paid by Gumroad. This includes your actual name, bank details, official home or business address, and a legit phone number. PayPal is also available, but requires your account to be marked compliant for it to be usable. Once you are set with the details, go up top and click on Update Settings. Now you can go to the Products tab located here. Here you will see the New Product section. Click on the New Product button. Give your ebook a name. Then you can choose between digital product or ebook as the product type. For this example, I will go with ebook. Go down and input the price you want to sell your PDF for. This will be based on your country's local currency. Then click on the Next Customize button. You will need to input a custom description and a URL that isn't taken. I like to add numbers in the back of my URL to ensure it isn't taken by anyone else. You will also need an ebook cover image and a thumbnail for better engagement and legitimacy. There are also other minor details such as a call to action inviting them to your Gumroad community for future promotions. Once you are happy with the customizations, go back up top and click on the Content tab. Next, choose the Upload Files option. Then select Computer Files. Choose your PDF from your computer and upload it. When it is done, you can then click on the Publish and Continue option. Once it is successfully published, copy your URL and paste it in a new tab, and you will see your ebook on Gumroad. Thanks for watching.